Kalau long kasngi ka bakmen ya ki khna pule jong ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong bakilala ban pendep ya ka jing pule ka jong ki hakilan training ba pher ki bakan thopru na duka ITI bat ki functional vocational training ki ba arts nem bat ki ba sis nem rukum ju da ka men sim ka bakmen bakilala ban pendep ya ki training ka don ru ka jing sir lakin yo ne am ya ka kam ha ka kam ka bakithmu Hakum ka ni kapor ka don pat ka jingkermen lang baka shlem a jing hikai ka bala penbiang bha ya ki placement na ka benta ki khna pule ling baka placement cell ka bala pentip syabang ki kam ki balaj hakinu kinu ki jaka tray ki office ni ki farm hapok ka jela bat syabaru kumju Hakan ni kasngi kerpang jong ki khna pule lawan ban sakhi dau Dr. Ricky Ejesenkon ubadai UMP jong ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kum ukong san hakate kasngi harengkat ka jinga don lang u rector jong ka Don Bosco Technical School ufada saji u principal ufada Shining Dekhar u manager ufada di Jerwa bat ki brothers ki bala don slem tam hapok ka Don Bosco Technical School bat kenthubru ya broda Baleri bat broda Carmel Muscat bat ki wikiway Hakan ni kasni ba ajing keren kumu kongsan u Dr. Ricky Ejesenkon ulaya ro ru ya ka jing penun kam hok jong ka Don Bosco Technical School ya ka kam ka barit na ki barit tam ban penuan dur ya ka banar ka bala ru ban penun kam biang hakipor ki ban wan om ban subret no tang dep ka program ba sisngi Daka bas ngurit ula ai kublai ru ya ki berada temen daka baong baka jingwan ka jongki na silang duriau ban IT med bat mensim ban pelut yala ka jong ka jing im hang ne badru ban penuan dur ya ka jing im jong ki spangut bat ki hajar ngut ki samla ki bapas na kanika school ula pen ken mau ru ya ka jing no senyang jong udon Bosco om tang haki jaka ki ba udon ndrei satlat jong kanika perthei latip ya u kum ubriu ba i ban pen im mensim ya ki babun ba ki samla ki bala sakma ula pen syai ru ya ka jingmut jong ka kentin don ha ka babun kimpoi perkhat ban wat ya kanika jingmut Ula ong baka kentin don kabamut ukupa lane fada Bosco. Ula ai kublai ru ya kinong hikai bat kinong penya jong ka Don Bosco Technical School bakilala ban ai ki jing syakri ka bakraw ha ka imlang ka salang. Ula pen seluruh ya ki samla bakin long ki batre shitam da ka bakin kiu syaparang ha ka jing im da ka jing long rang ba ha ka jing mut jing perkhan harengkat ru ka jing kit kli ya ka imlang ka salang. Bat ula pen seluruh ya ki wei. Ula kenturu ya kinong penya jong ka ni ka slem ai training da ka ba pen paru ba usyan ya bakila ban Pynlong ya ka ni ka Technical School on tanga Training Institute ndai ban Pynlong ru ya ka Don Bosco Technical and Innovative School.
I wait for others, but normally I don't like people waiting for me. But today, something went wrong with my schedule. And so, once again, please accept my sincere apology for keeping you waiting for half an hour. I thank God for this time, for giving me this privilege. Indeed, it is an honor to stand before you, to be invited as the chief guest of this program. It is indeed a very memorable day in the lives of those young graduates. But before I begin my speech or share my thoughts, as I was sitting there are three things which I observed. Three things, let me say. And these three things are, number one, when I was looking at this banner here, I do not know whether you also see what I see. What I see in this banner is the importance of making use of a resource. I do not know whether you get it or not. Let me go there and see. When I look at that, this banner, what I could see is that Don Bosco Technical School really know how to make use of the resource. But this one will continue maybe for the next 5-6 years. So it is all how you look at the resource. Resource, it is indeed in today's world, it is so limited. And that is why we have economics. If everything that we get is in abundance, I don't think so we will be studying economics. Economics teaches us how to make use of the best resource. So you're really making the best use of the resource. That this will continue, in the years to come. So thank you, Don Bosco Technical School, for making full use of the resource. Because in most places, what I see is, once this program is over, the banner becomes useless. And I always tell people the same thing. Make use of the resource. You're using it just for a few hours. You can always, if you keep it nicely, store it nicely, you can continue to use it again and again. So that is one observation. The other observation is those 5 dancers. Out of the 5, one lost her, a fan. So what I liked about the young girl is that she was confident enough to use this as a fan. So that is something which we should, have that presence of mind. And that is why I wish to say, congratulations to that young girl. And the third one is that maybe a question that I would ask, not those from this institution, but those who are going to leave this institution very shortly. Don Bosco Technical School. May I ask you, what is the meaning of Don? Don? Yes, one of the graduate, maybe this one at the right side, extreme right, the lady here. What is the meaning of Don, please? Yes. Please tell me. No, don't ask your friend. This is an exam. What is the meaning of Don? Huh? Is it right? No. Huh? No, I'm talking about in the context of this. So that is why understanding the context is important. So answering the question that is being asked is also important. And that is why, we do not understand the context. Well, it is okay not to know, because I'm sure maybe another one, the boy there, right? Yeah. Yes. What is the meaning of Don? Please stand up. Yeah, don't ask your friend. You stand up. Don means Neha in Kasi. They've done for people to have. Don? See. Please sit down. Well, it's okay not to know, but then, having studied here for 2 years, I think it is important as, to each one of us to always ask questions. I asked Father Saji, what is, I asked him, meaning of Don. Don means father, right? So Father Bosco. Okay. So at least when you leave this place, you should also know why is the name Don Bosco. So I just wanted, because this is what I learned sitting there. Because I always like to observe things, and I always try to question. But that's how I get to learn. So let me come to what I have prepared for today's program. At the very outset, once again, I thank God for giving me this time to be in your midst.